My name is Sunshine Stevens, and in my senior year of high school, my husband, who was my boyfriend at the time, and I were driving home from a football game, and a man drove up next to us to attempt to pass us, and he hit into the side of our truck and T-boned us. We had just left the football game at Foothill High School here in Palisadro, and my parents live just a little ways down the street from there, so we were driving home, and it was pretty dark out, probably about 10:30 or so, and so to our knowledge we were the only ones on the street. We had left a little bit early to beat the traffic, and then as we're turning into my parents' driveway, a car had come up from behind and was trying to pass us, and as we were turning, obviously when passing at that point, he smacked into the side of us, and we had spun around and went off into the ditch. And then eventually the cops and everybody had shown up, and he was just acting very strange for somebody who had just smacked into another car. So that's what gives me the impression that he could have been under the influence of some sort, and he was frantically trying to start his car back up and leave the scene and all this stuff, and it was just very crazy for 10:30 on a Friday night, which was not really expected to be happening. But yeah, that's kind of what happened, and then upon impact is when I had smacked into the door of the truck, and that's where my injuries had occurred. And so that's kind of where my parents, from knowing Griff from past experience, then that's how we decided to reach out to him about this. And then from there, I just worked with him on the whole situation. Having ease of, peace of mind, and being able to know at the end of the day, okay, that guy should know that he can't do that again, because it was very life-changing to be in an accident of that. I mean, thank God that nothing super severe happened, but I'm glad that I was able to reach out to Griff and he was able to help us find some sort of justice with such a crazy situation. If you're ever in a situation where you need help or any legal assistance, I would strongly suggest to reach out to Griff and the rest of the staff at Arthofer Tonkin. They are amazing and very easy to work with and make the process very simple.
The stories you just heard from some of our past clients are cases that we specialize in.
Helping people who've been injured as the result of the negligence of someone else is all we do at the Arthofer Tonkin Law Offices. Call us today for a free consultation on your injury matter.